Good afternoon. In this video, we're going to be performing a brief demonstration of exercise B in the Cutaneous Sensory Receptor Lab. And so exercise B is exploring adaptation to light pressure. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have our subject seated with eyes closed. And we're going to take one penny, which is at room temperature, which is important because we're going to not be exploring changes in temperature and sensitivity to temperature sensations. We're just looking at pressure in this experiment. So we're going to take our one penny. We're going to place the penny on the subject's interior surface of the forearm. So we will place the penny here, and we will be then using a timer to document how long that sensation of the pressure of the one penny lasts. So we'll place one penny. Start our timer.
Yeah, but it's, yeah, now I can tell.
Yeah, okay, so we're at 3 minutes and 49 seconds for that first penny, for the sensation or conscious awareness and perception of the penny's presence on the forearm to be desensitized, to be adapted to that pressure. So now what we're going to do in the second part of this experiment is we're going to place now a stack of 3 pennies on top of the existing penny. And so we're going to be creating this change in pressure. We'll place here. And in doing so, does the pressure sensation return?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so with that change in pressure, it's going to activate again. It's going to create that novel stimulus, pressure stimulus for the sensory receptors. And so we're going to then measure with our stopwatch again how long it takes for this adaptation to occur.
Ya no le siento.
No? All right, so we are going to stop the clock at 6 minutes and 37 seconds for adaptation to occur for that the additional pennies stacked on the arm. And so what we were able to witness in this experiment, what we can conclude here is we can see how cutaneous sensory receptors are able to exhibit adaptation when sensory stimuli become constant. And so sensory receptors notice when the penny first is placed on the arm and that change in pressure, but then over time, sensory receptors become adapted to that pressure existing as constant when we experience a change in the pressure, such as adding the additional pennies, that sensation returns, and it took longer for adaptation to occur when we added more pennies, so more pressure on the arm, which makes sense considering there was a greater magnitude of pressure placed on the arm. Thanks so much. I look forward to seeing you in the discussion forum.